Right, here we are, Dingo 950D with approximately a little bit less than 1200 hours on the clock due to a failed hour meter. There's the new one with 45 hours on it. The old one had about 1150. You can see some UV damage, a little bit of bird poo. Birds like to come into the open shed. Coming around the side, good tread on the tyres, brand new ram, a little bit of oil at the bottom where it was changed over and some grubby fingerprints. That'll be gone by the time you pick it up. I'm not the sort of person who believes in covering stuff up with paint and Vaseline. If you like that sort of thing, I can organise it for you. Radiator cap, once again, a little bit of UV damage. Nice green water, no rust, no gunk. Cooling system is fine. New hydraulic filter, new engine filter, new oil, all the fluids are all topped up. Again, new ram on the front. Some UV damage on these protective covers on the hoses, and you can see there where pressure washer has fluffed it up. No problem to get rid of them, replace them. And the third brand new ram. And on this side, good tread on the tyres, and as you can see, a little bit of UV fading, but nothing that can't be fixed with a can of Mr. Sheen, if that's your bag. So, cold start.